thanks to Captain Mûtura here.
Yeah.
We'll be with you for the rest of the flight.
I'm very learned. Guys, don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
Don't
This
be
is how we
afraid.
fly it.
I have done this job for 12 years.
Yes. We are the alumni of Wings to Fly and Kebu to Fly. We are very glad to be here and entertained.
I want to thank my school,
Yes.
Kebu Institute of Piloting, Nursery School, DCD, and Computer College,
And
driving
Kebu Aviation.
school. Driving school. I want to thank all of you guys. I'm very happy. My teacher, be blessed. I have made it. Yeah, a DCD, and please, the people who are left in playgroup, study hard. Study hard.
It is a daring
One day you will become like me. Okay, guys, I don't want to talk much. Let's make it. Thank you.
Yes. A great experience here. We are in Kebu County, and as you can see here, it is daring in Kebu. It has not been easy. We have migrated here because we are the migrators of the rural urban migration of the Bantus from Kebu town to the
I would like that.
Our motto is
Few
fly
people-
with us.
Few people to catch,
We will never regret.
the push small so that
Yes.
the battery have
Yes,
gone
guys,
down.
come.
So that we can to the tole. So that we
Yes,
can.
guys, come. Can we push the plane?
Yeah.
Come.
Coro 5. Coro 5 Europeans. Who have eaten. Europeans who have eaten. Who can handle plane.
Back here in Kebu County, we are very pleased to announce to be very pressured by the government of Kebu and the county government of Kebu and Matagis himself for the scholarship
Yeah.
for Wings to Fly at Equity Bank.
And
Thank you, members.
Waitito, thank you. Thank you, Waitito. If it's not you, I would not be here. I'm very grateful. Guys, here is where the pilot sleep. When he does, then
That
he
is
was
the
noise.
bed of the
Noise
airplane.
from
It is a
European.
VIP bed.
If we
And
don't
it is
want,
where they put oil for the plane.
yeah,
Oh no, oil is put here.
yeah.
Oil is put here. And no stepping.